Algo players will claim 300% return per annum. Use my Algo. I mean, you really think SEBI is so dumb? No, first of all, on the face of it. And secondly, when we ask them, so, what is the basis of this? They've done a retrofit of the data. And on the basis of that, they say 300% return per annum. I mean, what do you say, Dhiren? I mean, हमको इतना बेवकूफ समझ रखा है. मतलब your modeling data and your test data has to be different. No, if you retrofit on the same data, of course you will get 300% return. तो आप hindsight के मेरा घोड़ा हमेशा जीतता है. Of course, क्योंकि आपने you tested it against the घोड़ा who has already जीतोed in the last 15 races. उसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? कोई भी बना देगा आपको. Why 300%, 500% return बना देगा. अब हमको बेवकूफ समझ के रखा है.